Welcome back, everybody. AI workers are replacing millions of jobs. The rise of AI employees and why you must learn AI coding now. Most people think AI is just ChatGPT. It's not. We are entering the era of AI workers, autonomous agents that can perform real jobs faster, cheaper, and eventually better than humans. AI workers are software agents powered by advanced AI models that can reason, write codes, analyze data, make decisions, use tools, and complete tasks with minimal human supervision. Today's AI model can already read documents, browse the web, write production-level software, debug systems, summarize research, generate financial reports, and even collaborate across multiple tools like a digital employee. Knowledge work is becoming automatable because AI now has memory, reasoning, planning, coding, abilities, and tool usage, the exact capabilities needed to replace repetitive cognitive tasks. In software engineering, AI workers can already generate APIs, write tests, fix bugs, review pull requests, refactor code bases, automate deployments, and document system tasks engineers spend hours doing every day. And this wouldn't stop at tech. Consulting, finance, banking, healthcare, oil and gas, logistics, and legal work will increasingly rely on AI agents. Over the next few decades in the United States, many jobs will shift from human execution to AI-driven automation. Companies may eventually spend more money operating fleets of AI workers than paying a large human workforce because AI scales 24/7 at near zero marginal cost. The solution: upscale early, learn tools like Claude Code. 1. Install a coding editor. 2. Connect an AI coding assistant. 3. Start building small apps. 4. Read every line that AI generates. And lastly, ask the AI to explain the code until you understand it. The future belongs to people who can direct AI workers and not compete against them. Thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great day.